So it's February 5th, 2026. Right now, it's 1 o'clock. Welcome to Winter Wonderland, Charlotte, North Carolina, aka Ballantyne, North Carolina. Just a few days ago, we had 8 inches of snow, between 8 inches low end and 1 foot, over 1 foot in Charlotte and Ballantyne. And as you see right now, we have snow again. They might have to open a winter park here in Charlotte, North Carolina, in Ballantyne, North Carolina, folks, because our average snowfall for the year is 4.5 inches. But yet, once again, we are getting snow in Charlotte. Is it going to accumulate? Well, I don't know, folks, but I got to be honest with you all. Even though I love winter, I'm so freaking ready for some spring weather. I really am. I mean, this is unusual. This is not normal for Charlotte, for Ballantyne, to get snow, so much snow. I mean, let's have some 60 plus degrees temperature. Let's bring on the spring weather. So here you go, folks. More snow coming down. Welcome to Winter Wonderland, Charlotte, North Carolina, Ballantyne, North Carolina, where they are officially going to open a snow park and where they are going to be hosting the 2030 Winter Olympic here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Well, it's snowing once again. Winter Olympic 2030 is coming to Charlotte, North Carolina. Have a great day, everyone, and stay warm.